In the previous video, we prepared the application for deployment by creating the required project files and installing the dependencies. In this video, we will build the container image, deploy the application to the Google Cloud Run, and make it accessible through a secure web URL. Now let's go to the Cloud Shell and run the deployment commands. First, we select the Google Cloud project where the application will be deployed. This ensures all the commands are executed within the correct cloud environment. Next, we enable the required cloud services such as Cloud Run will host the application, Artifact Registry will store the container image, Cloud Build will automatically build the container image, and Secret Manager will securely store Earth Engine credentials. Next, we grant the WebGIS service account permission to access Secret Manager, so the application can securely retrieve the Google Earth Engine credentials at runtime instead of storing them in the source code. Don't worry if the command appears to be repeated onto the next line in the terminal. This is how the terminal displays long commands. In the end of the video, I will provide a complete list of commands which you can copy and use it for your own deployment. Next, we grant the Google user account permission to deploy the application using the service account. This is required for deployment. Google Cloud checks whether the user account is allowed to use a service account. Without this permission, the deployment fails with an IAM service account error because Google Cloud prevents users from deploying the application with service accounts which they are not allowed to use. Finally, we are ready to deploy the application to Cloud Run. This command builds the application directly from the current project folder, deploys it to the Asia South region, and runs it on Google Cloud's platform. By enabling unauthenticated access, anyone with the application URL can use it without signing in. During deployment, Google Cloud automatically builds the container image, uploads it to the artifact registry, deploys it to the Cloud Run, and generates a secure HTTPS URL. The deployment process may take a few minutes. Once it completes successfully, Cloud Run generates a secure HTTPS URL for the application. We can now open this URL in any web browser and verify that the WebGIS application is running successfully. The front end communicates with the Flask backend, which securely accesses Google Earth Engine through Secret Manager, processes the satellite imagery, and returns the analysis results. Our WebGIS application is now successfully deployed to Google Cloud Run and can be accessed from anywhere using a secure HTTP URL. Here we are using default HTTPS URL generated by Google Cloud during deployment. In a production environment, it is recommended to use a custom domain name and implement additional security measures such as authentication and stricter access controls. All the commands used in this deployment are shown here, and you will find the GitHub repository link in the video description. If you encounter any errors or have any questions while following this tutorial, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help. In the next video, we will learn how to manage the production environment, explore Google Cloud logging to monitor deployed application, view request logs, identify errors, and troubleshoot issues in the Cloud Run. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos in this WebGIS and Google Cloud series. Happy mapping!